the whips here. I got my GoPro mounted here. I'm gonna be doing different video clips of the exhaust after adding the 4-inch quad tips. Came out really well, and I got so many questions from Instagram and YouTube after I loaded this. So I'm just gonna be doing different videos while driving, and acceleration, neutral, revving, under a bridge or whatnot. So you guys can hear different tones, downshifting, upshifting, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So my setup here, the number one question that I got was, what setup do I have? And I have the Catalyst PRL Downpipe, the PRL Frontpipe, the thermal R&D Exhaust, and I added these 4-inch tips which I bought off of eBay, which measures 8 inches total in width, and it fits perfect because there's a 9-inch, our stock exhaust tips measure 9-inch, so this is the perfect setup in my opinion. So that's my setup. So if you have any other further questions, go ahead and drop them below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of all the different clips. If you want a different angle or any other type of sound, just drop the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Until next time, see you guys until the next clip. Enjoy the rest of the video.